What's up guys, how are you? And here we go again in a new video and something new to learn. Today I decided to make a really short video but very cute, because what you're going to learn today is how to flip your shear. It is maybe for lots of stylists not necessary, but it's really something cool behind the shear to learn. What happened like a few days ago, one of my friends in salon, she liked the way I flip my shear, and she said, please can you teach me how you flip your shears, and many clients too, they always ask me, oh yeah, we like the way you flip your shears and secure them, and just like really cool, looks like samurai, just like some compliments. So I decided today to make this video and show you how to flip your shear and how to secure it more, because the way I'm going to teach you today, guys, I think, in my opinion, it's safer, and you will see why I'm mentioning that. So let's go and see how you flip your shear. Boom! Here we go, guys. So this is my shear. It is okay, I'm not gonna make any advertisement for anybody. Okay, maybe one day I'll become famous so they can sponsor me. I'm just kidding. This is 6 inches shear. You can have 7 inches, 5.5, 5, it doesn't matter, but this is my shear and this is 6 inches. So when we were in cosmetology school, they teach us this is the proper way, to carry your shears and secure it, yes. So let me grab my comb. So you secure it that way. So this is how you catch your comb, and this is how you secure your shear, right? I think so. So let's do close up and see how we learn to secure our shear, and my way, the way I secure my shear, and why I think it's safer. Okay guys, this is a close-up now so you can see more details. So here we go. In the cosmetology school we learn this is how we secure our shear. Yes, I'm gonna turn in many different positions, so you see it many different angles, so this is better. Okay, right? This is how we secure our shear. And then this is the comb, and let's pretend this is the client here, head, and then we are combing toward our body. So every time I comb toward our body, look how is the blade facing my chest. I can stab myself like this, or I can even with the blade I can go to client's face. So I don't think it's really secure. Like, okay, you're secure, but you still can stab your client. So how I secure my shear? I secure my shear that way. So the blade is away from client's face, okay? And this is my comb, and now I'm combing. It doesn't matter what I do. You see? Where's the blade? Away, completely away from client's face and even my body. So it doesn't matter what I do, the blade completely out. So I think it's safer, yes? You don't think so? I think so. This is how we learned, and lots of stylists, they do that way. I have nothing against it, but I think sometimes accident can happen, because sometimes when you comb client's hair, sometimes there is some tingles in the hair, and the comb stuck in the hair, and suddenly you see it's happened with you. I'm sure it happened with you guys. So the comb just goes out very quick, slide out very quick from the hair, and then this is the blade. It's toward my chest. I can stab myself, and even client's face, like it can go to the eye, to the ear, to the cheeks. It doesn't matter, but can stab the client's face. So it's dangerous if something happened like this. So how we flip our shear and we get it that position, and how we get it back so we can cut. So let's go and see how we do it. Okay guys, if I'm securing my shear that way, okay, all I have to do with this finger, I put it under the blade, and I have to remember my pinky, I let it go out, okay? And then with this finger, I push the blade up like this. So when the shear flip is gonna rest where? It's gonna rest on my pinky. So when it rests my pinky, I just close my fingers and it's completely secure, and I get my comb and I'm ready to comb. Doesn't matter how I move, okay? The blade out and I'm fine. So you will tell me, well, okay, how I get it back, the easiest way to get it back, and then I can cut hair. Okay, when you have that position, all what you have to do with your wrist here to do little shake, okay? I will show it to you now. And now you relax your finger a little bit, not too much, because you don't want to drop it. So be careful, guys. If you have expensive shears, I want to notice something here. Don't do it with expensive shears, because I'm very sure you're gonna drop your shears many times before you learn it. So what you do is go buy a cheap shear, like $10 shear, $5, something just to practice on. Okay, and I'm sure maybe you have something cheap already. So practice on it, and when you feel like you are really good at it, then do it on your expensive shear, because for sure you don't want to drop $500 shear like the one I have is $600. Okay, so I don't want to drop it for sure. So be careful. So how I get it back? So all I have to do, I have to shake this area with little simple movement, and then I will get it back. All I have to do is relax my finger a little bit, and then I do this shake, this just like, you know, and then I got it, and then I'm ready to cut. And then if I move it back again with this finger, I have to remember my pinky is out, okay, away, and then with this finger, and I push the blade and rest on my pinky, and here we go. But there's another method to get your shear back and it's ready to cut hair again. You can do another way, and 360-degree circle, and I think this is more cool, and this is what I like and usually I do. So when I have my shear you know, in my pinky, I relax my fingers a little bit. With my thumb, I'm teaching you the way I do it. With my thumb, because I want to secure my shear, when I flip it, okay, in circle motion, I don't want my shear to go out of my finger and go to the floor. So with my thumb here, I will lock it on this finger, the ring one. So now look what I create. I create like O, okay? See how? With this finger, I lock it, and then I release my shear. So look where my shear is. So my shear doesn't matter how it goes now, it's secured. Why? Because this finger locked, so secure, okay? So when is my shear that way, this position, I flip it and I get it. But for sure with fast motion, look how easy and simple it is. You see it? It's really cool. Here we go. And this is one, and this is two. It's really easy. So here we go, guys. I hope you like this video. I'm sure it's gonna take you a few days to learn it. It's gonna take you maybe 1 week. As I said, you don't practice it on expensive shear. Just get a very cheap shear, like $5, anything, something you bought when you were in the cosmetologist. This is how I learned on. You never practice on very expensive shear, because I guarantee you guys, you're gonna drop it at least 5 to 10 times before you learn it. So I hope you like it. I think it's very cool things to learn behind the chair, because looks very fancy and makes you feel like, oh yeah, looks, I am talented. Even your client has mentioned that as, oh wow, look how he flipped his shear. It gives you more confidence. And The most important reason why we learn these things, because as I said, the blades away from the face and even from your body, and this is what the most important point in this video before I look fancy or wow, look at him, how talented he is. Safety is number one. So I hope you guys, you like this video, and see you in another video and something